Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I wanted to share with you guys the new space and just do a quick walkthrough with you. Now, if you guys are new here, my name is Christina and I own Christina Loves Planning, which is budgeting and planner supplies, everything planner related, but we really like to focus on budgeting topics and budgeting planners and really getting people to be organized, intentional with their spending, really focusing on the why. What is their whys? But on more of that. Today, I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough. So I originally was 2 doors down and I needed something a little bit bigger. I wanted another extra room so I can actually put my extra supplies in. I'm currently using my basement and I also have a storage unit that I have where I have a lot of my boxes, but I just needed more space. It was becoming claustrophobic for me. Like it was really getting outgrown and I was so cluttered. Like I was moving like, you know. So anyways, this space here is the office space. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me just show you what it looks like if you turn it off. When I first moved in here, the walls, this wall here was black. So we went ahead and painted it my color, which is my brand color. And I think it's perfect. So over here is where I keep all of the printers. So that is my sublimation printer, the packing slips printer, I have my silhouette, and then I also use that bottom printer for it. Top is the laminator. So I just really wanted to streamline. I didn't want to have too much. In the other shop, I also had 2 desks where I decided, no, we just need 1. So we really just needed to downsize. I'm looking at getting like maybe a little sofa love seat for here. And if I don't get the sofa love seat, I was also thinking about a couch pillow. Have you guys seen those? OMG, so beautiful. I am 90% I might get that, and you just kind of like lay it right here. You can sit on the floor. You can do some really cute videos. So these are my 2 calendars that I use. This one, we are in the month of July, so we are on week 3, which is about cash envelopes living. So don't worry, I have another video that I will be posting for you guys, so check that out. But for this video, what I like to do is I like to list out appointments and things that are happening, whether it's sales and you know, anything related to, well, my daughter, she put her surgery there, but that's okay. As you can see on the calendar, we have the Planner Boss Collective Sale, which is Christmas in July, and that's gonna be the 24th, 25th, and the 26th. Oh, she put it, yeah, 25th, 26th, and 27th, I'm sorry. And it's gonna be 35% off. And what this is it is about a lot of small businesses to get together and have a sale, especially during the hard times. So you can actually go to their website and you can see all of the different small businesses that are participating, okay? But yeah, as you can see, I will be offering 35%. So this here is my quarterly plan, and so what I need to do is July, August, September, and then October, November. Yeah, so I am a little bit behind and I will fill this out today. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed because this really needs to be updated, okay? We have 4 quarters in the year and you know, I don't even know what to say, but time is going by so fast. This space is so much bigger than my previous space. I'm so excited to share with you. So as you can see, there is a door. So you can actually close the door, but we're just gonna walk through it. Now, everything that is in here was in the other unit, and I'm still organizing. I'm still trying to, you know, set things up the way that I like. Okay, so over here, these are all of the caddies that I have, and everything that is on the shelf is everything that I sell. So I'm not gonna go through every item. I'm just gonna do the walkthrough so you can see how I set everything up. So like I said, everything that was in the other shop is pretty much set up the same way. Okay, so I have everything set up like I said, I'm still trying to adjust. So as I am working here, if I find an easier way to do things, then I'll just move things around. So the TV is up top. I have a TV mount that I'm gonna put on the wall. I think I'm going to put it over there in the corner. I turned off the AC because it does get really, it gets hot, but so far it's been, this place seems like pretty cool. These are the working stations. Okay, so as you can see, one is lower than the other because I'm actually doing another YouTube video right here. Over here is where I package all of my orders. So I pretty much stand here and I work off each packing slip, and then I pack the order. Over here, I grab the items that I need, like the bag or the outside bag. Okay, and everything is done right here. Another thing that I do is I have this clipboard, and so I flip this over so you guys don't see, but this is, just think of it as this is my work day or plan, or I don't know, itinerary. I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness. If there's something wrong with an order, whether maybe I don't have the item in stock or something, I need to refund them or whatever the case is, anything that pertains to the orders is going to go on this page or even go on a sticky note. And so at the end, when I'm done packing orders and I'm all done, then I grab this and I take a look, and then I'll go sit down and work at the computer. I'm not going to just stop what I'm doing and go back and forth, So it's like a little, it's just to keep track of maybe issues and concerns. So if you look straight ahead, you can see my Shopify counter is not connected, but I will get that done today. And so these are all of the planners. You can see all of the 2025 budget planners. You can see all of the undated. Actually, the budget planner right now, the dated version, is listed for $12. Straight ahead, we have, and guys, we still have 7 months left. So this budget planner is going to be the same budget planner for next year. So if you don't have it, it is a great price. You cannot beat $12. And so this way you could take a look at it to see if this is something that would fit you, because I'm planning to come out with the same one for 2026. So if you look straight ahead, that's where I keep all of the sticker sheets. I have the color and transparent cash envelopes, motivational cards, dividers, dashboards. These are all of my sticky notepads, highlighters, just everything is over here. CLP t-shirts. And then over here, the reason why there's a space right here is because I was planning on putting the second AC that's in the other unit. I'm planning to put the AC over here, but honestly, I don't know if I need to, and it was $500. A part of me really wants to just return it. But then I'm like, but it gets so hot. Right now the sun's not shining, so it's not bad. But, when you have those heat waves, and we do have another month, so kind of just contemplating on what to do with that. But if I don't put the AC up, then I can actually either put another wall unit here or slide it down. These two pieces here are saving challenges, and then I have my Sienna binders on here. I also have my classic collection binders, the new ones that we just received. So we have these are the new colors, the taupe, black, cream, and pink. And we also have gold and silver rings. And then underneath we have the A5 classic covers. Those are the saving challenge books. I personally love my Sienna binders. I think they're gorgeous. They remind me of the Chanel. I don't know, I just love it. And then over here is the kitchen area. So this was in the other space. I have snacks in here, plastic forks, paper towels, cleaning supplies, and most importantly, I have all of my books. And I definitely recommend people, if you guys, like to read about, productivity, habits, things that are going to help you in your life and help you get organized or or even in being very productive. I definitely recommend this one here. I heard is a really good book, and I started it, but I didn't finish. So I think I'm gonna grab this and bring this home with me. So I like to read about business, anything that's gonna help me. I definitely recommend it. So my daughter read it. She said it was a really good one. So it's just about habits, like we say. So we even talk about this regarding budgeting. And so even budgeting is about habits. It's about changing your habits and your mindset and really just taking on a different approach to things. You know, I think it also starts with being like really, really motivated and determined to make those changes. This is the other wall that was painted. It is really nice. And then this is the kitchen area over here. And so this wall here has to also be painted. So I'm hoping that he can get this done this week. You can see all the scrapings in the back, and that's because I pulled off this like sticky back piece. It was ugly. And not only was it ugly, but it was also disintegrating, and it was leaving sticky stuff all over the countertop. It took hours for me to clean. It's still not 100%. So like if you touch, like here's a little sticky piece. So I still need to work on this area, but my friend is supposed to come and paint this wall. I also have a soap dispenser. And this is the TV wall unit. Like I said, I was thinking about putting it right over here in this little corner here. I think it would be cute. And okay, so I think we're good. Definitely. I didn't mean to have the Hulk bag like right in the middle of the space, but it just is so much bigger, guys. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful. And it's, you know, I have to owe it to my customers and the hard work that I keep trying to do and grow. And, you know, if you guys are new and you're just watching this, check out my website. You can learn a little bit more about me and what I have, or even just watch some of my other YouTube videos. And then over here, this is the space where I really wanted to put all the extra boxes. And so pretty much we started. So this is for packing purposes here. And then these are the new envelopes. So these are the new home buyers envelopes. This is where I make the acrylic clips. Little by little, everything is getting done. But like I said, sometimes things take time, especially when you are working. When you're working, you see what you need, what you don't need, and yeah. So we do have our A5 Luxe padded binders and our A5 Adelina binders. Those are going to be here on Thursday. So very, very excited for my customers. Okay. All right. Well, if you guys don't know this, we did receive our home buyers binder, which is beautiful. And I think I'm going to be uploading another video for you guys. So I will show you the binder in the next video. Okay. Well, I hope that you guys liked this little tour that I shared with you guys. If you want to see more of these, let me know. I personally just love this little space over here. And don't worry, I'm gonna make it super cozy. It's just not done yet, you know. You gotta get all your necessities and little things to decorate it. But so far, I do like what I have. So I'm just gonna go over here and show you guys this last piece. This is my 2025 calendar. I had this since January, and it is a poster size. So just so you know, this is July. We are in the month of July. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot believe how fast the year is going. So I like to put things that I'm doing, like if I'm doing lives or I'm doing sales, and this is a great way for me to be able to see what is upcoming, what's coming up, and just see the growth, see how I'm doing. Am I growing? And I try to keep track of different things, and I try to add it here. But in the meantime, I will go ahead and update the quarterly calendar as well. But I just want to thank you guys for joining me today. Like I said, I just wanted to do like a really quick, walkthrough, and just to show you, and I'm sure you guys can see that the space is so much bigger. Like, it is just amazing. There's so much to do. My brain doesn't have to feel cluttered. I felt so cluttered in the other space. I work really hard to create content and to really keep my customers engaged, because we're all on different levels of our budgeting. So, you know, when I talk, it's for everyone. We're all on different levels. And so I don't care if I talk about cash envelopes. I hope it can resonate with someone as well. Keeping organized, using a budget planner, using the 4 steps that I highly recommend, okay? So more to come. Now that we have this bigger space, I'm able to do more videos because I didn't have the lighting in the other space. There was no windows in the working, like that working section that I had, there was no windows. The only window that I had was in the back office. So it was really difficult for me to like share what I was doing. Like packing orders, I barely did. So anyways, I hope that you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and most importantly, say hello below. Bye guys.